let's go. Whee! Launching like a rocket in 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Freedom! Whee! Well, we are here. Where's the duck? I ended up here. Well, everybody come to the center of the bird city. Okay, let's search if there's anybody in their house. Oh yeah, I'm with you guys. Ollie, you go first, then I will come. Okay, Toucan and Crowy. I'm here, guys. What you are planning about? We are planning about why did they just disappear in a blink of an eye? Oh, yeah. Why did they be that? The thunderstorm parts will be starting at the, after the lunch time. Right after the lunch time. But where are the others? This is a mystery we need to solve. Come on, Crowy. You're the last one left. Okay. Oh, don't forget about the egg. Oh. I think you have to fertilize the egg to camp. Oh no. Anyways, it's just the egg. It is not like a baby or something. But there's a baby inside when it hatches. Oh, but that's a lot of time. Yeah. It will take 2 months, 1 or 2 months to hatch. Meanwhile, who will take care of the egg? I think Green Parrot will. Yeah, she's an excellent mother. Wait, what? It's Green Parrot's egg. We are stupid. It's Green Parrot's egg. Oh man, we have been fooled. Yeah, it's Green Parrot's new egg. She just laid it about a month ago. Oh. What? Does that sound like an alligator to you guys? We are defenseless because it's only 7 of us and the baby. Let's bring the baby with us for protection. Okay. Now we have the baby. Okay. Now let's hide. Oh no! Let's hide there in Peacock family's house. Whee! Ow! I will give you a push, and here comes the baby. Cuckoo caca. Ow! Well, nice job, baby. Okay, now I'm coming. Huh? Oh no, the egg! Oh my God, Green Parrot will be so angry if we lose this. Hey, Crowy, I'm passing it to you, the new flock member. Yeah, I see it coming. Whee! Oh, it reached to you. I'm coming. Ow! Well, that was quite unlucky. Let's go! Hey, baby. Okay. Just go in already. You're so heavy, little one. How did you get so heavy? You're just 1 centimeter long. You're smaller than a towel. Anyways, go! Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, the egg. I'm passing it to you. Crowy? Yeah, I see it. Oh. Ow. 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 Let's send the egg very far deep inside. The hiding spot inside the Peacock family's house, of course. And there's Flamingo's house. Where's the leader also? Anyways, I think I will be the leader until he comes. Okay. So Red Parrot is the second leader. Okay, I'm coming. Oh no, I out of the egg. Let me come. I'll fly high and dive. That's better. Yeah, that's like owl style. Well, let's do it by ball, eagle, star. I am going to guard you guys. What? But you'll be eaten by the grumpy alligator. Yeah, I know. But I have to protect you. Let's call the shells. Teet, 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 teet. Brr, brr. Oh, hi, Baldy. Hi, Dosh. Emergency meeting. Emergency meeting. What happened, Baldy? Why are you so worried? There's nobody in the bird city, and the whole bird city is destroyed by the wildfire. Yeah, I know. I saw in the news. And there's a grumpy alligator. We need all the help we can get. Oh no! I'm in my way, Baldy. Tudu. Vroom. Oh, hi, Baldy. Oh, Darsh, you're just like lightning. Yeah, I just came in a blink of an eye. Anyways, Darsh, protect us. What? What happened? Just protect us. Oh, yeah. Ah! Ow! I will help you, Baldy. Thanks, Darsh. You're welcome. I'm the duck. I'll also help you. Thanks, Darsh. And I will give some of your fresh, juicy grass from your storing room to eat if you're hungry. Yeah, I'm very hungry. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay, let's deal with him. Here he comes. Hey, you. Don't even dare to hurt my friend. Easy peasy. Oh no, Darsh, he's not giving up. Look, he came again. Looks like I have to hit him with my high force. Hoo-yah! Ooh. Yeah, that must have hurt him. Yeah. Nom, nom, nom. The dog left to share all the fresh juicy grass to the others. Okay. Here you go, Baldy. Thanks. Here you go, Snowy. Thanks. Here you go, Toucan. Thanks. Here you go, little baby. And here you go, Crowy, a new flock. Thank you. That's a very helpful flock. Yeah, I know. Now, is he gone? Darsh, he's gone. You're my hero. Oh, thank you. Let's clap for him, everybody. You are so good friend of ours. You protect us. You give us some food. You give us some water to drink. You are our most helpful, protective friend. Thanks for protecting us. You're welcome. I'll protect you every time you call me, okay? Okay. If something bad happens, just call emergency meeting and press the alarm. I can hear it from my house to the bird city. Okay? Okay, Darsh. We got you. Oh yeah, that's what I believe bird friends are like. Well, I have to get to work. And anytime you need me, I'll be there in a blink of an eye. Anyways, I forgot to tell you something. What? Where are all the others? Where's the parrot family, Chicky, Cockatoo, and the peacock family, Rooster, and what happened to the house I made? Oh, they are all destroyed by the fire, the wildfire. But what happened to the others? Did they get burned? No, nothing like that. They just ran away. They just flew away. Look! Oh no! The wildfires again beginning. Don't worry, my friends. I'll take care of this. Give me the bird's fire extinguisher. Here, thanks. Done! Here you go. Put the bird's fire extinguisher where it came from. Thanks, Darsh. It came from the bird's terrace. So I'll keep it in the bird's terrace near the bird's air conditioner and the bird's windmill. Tell me, Baldy, what is the very useful thing in the windmill, the bird's windmill? Well, number one, it gives all the electricity to all the houses, the bird windmill. That's why it's so important. Oh, I got it. But now that's over electricity. Yeah, Baldy, you are wasting electricity for no use. Let's turn off the bird windmill for now, so that when we need it, then we will start it and all the electricity will be back. We don't need it anymore. When we need the electricity, then we will on it. We will start it. Okay. Now let's, turn it off. Here is the remote. Okay, press it. Okay, Darsh. Let me fix it. There. Okay, now we are saving electricity. When we need electricity, then we will start the bird's windmill, and the bird's air conditioner is giving wind to the bird's windmill, and all of the electricity is coming most by the bird's air conditioner, right? Yeah, and with the wind, the windmill, the bird windmill blows I'm so surprised. Why are you so surprised, Baldy? Because that grumpy alligator just came out of nowhere. Oh, okay. Anyways, now we are saving electricity mode in the bird's windmill. Yup. Now, let's go. Where? We have to work in our computers. And the bird city cleaners are also here. So, we have to go up there so that we don't get dirty. Yeah, okay, Baldy. I see what you mean. Okay. Let's work. Let me come as well. I finished the fresh, juicy grass. We all did as well. Okay, now let's work. Let's go. Here. Let me come as well with the egg. I think I see the egg. Yeah, it's probably in there. I helped you birds. Thanks, Darsh. You're welcome. I'm just going to keep this here. Be careful. It should not roll out. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it like that. There we go. I'll take also the baby because she can walk and she's already slept. Okay, now Chloe, do you need some help? Yeah, there's. Why are we so clumsy? I don't know, Darsh. Ow. Let's get to work. Ah. I'm the last one left. Oh, and give the baby the pacifier. That's better. Okay, now I will start building the houses again. I'll rebuild. Okay. Good luck, Darsh. I will sure build. The birds lived happily ever after. The end. The end. The end.